Hey guys, so this is a Legion from the future. Now, I recorded this video because I needed it for school, and I just decided to upload it, so here it is. So today I'm going to be making a mousse. So the ingredients are some raspberries and cranberries, semolina, milk, about 100 grams of sugar, and about 150 milliliters of water. You're also going to need a blender and a mixer. Let's start off by putting in some raspberries. And now the cranberries. And now let's pour in all the water, about 350 milliliters. Then you have to put the top on, which I've already done. Then just click on and select frozen dessert. Just take the top off, which I've already done, and then we pour it into the boiler. Then you just have to slowly mix it. Now let's pour the sugar in. And then we just pour in more water. Now we have to pour in the semolina. Before I pour this into the mixer, it has to be cool. Now that the mousse is cold, we can pour it into the mixer bowl. Now let's start mixing. These are all the ingredients that we need. So a mousse is a dessert. And then we just turn this on and select frozen dessert. Then you have to put the top on, which I've already done. Then just click on and select frozen dessert. So when it's ready, you just take it off and open. And now we just go to this thing, just mix up the. Then you just have to slowly mix it. You can see your shadow.
Oh, wait.
Now let's pour the sugar in. Do it slowly while still mixing the thing. These bowls you can't have. It's very important. Before you pour this into the mixer, you have to let it dry. So that's it for today's video. If you liked it, then make sure to subscribe with notifications, and if you want to see more, then just let me know, because I can make more of these cooking videos. Anyway, that's it. I hope you enjoyed, and I'll see you later. Bye.